This is going to be a video tutorial on how to perform a quick scan using Microsoft Defender's antivirus in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. Okay, I'm on my desktop now. To perform a quick scan using Microsoft Defender's antivirus, there's a few different ways you can get there. The way that I'm going to show you, I'm going to go down to the bottom of my taskbar down here, and I'm going to right-click on the Start icon. The Start icon is right here. I'm going to right-click on it, and I'm going to go up to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens here, the pane on the left-hand side, I'm going to go down to where it says Privacy and Security and click on that. Then in the center pane, I'm going to go up to where it says Windows Security, and I'm going to click on Windows Security. Then the next thing, I'm going to click on Virus and Threat Protection. In the new dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left side, I'm already on the Virus and Threat Protection tab. And right here is Quick Scan. You just click on it right here and it will scan your computer. Thanks for watching.